Aave certainly is a mid-positioned coin with the ticker Aave that by and large has a kind of present worth of $104.84 and a market capitalization of $1,537,854,183, which generally is genuinely huge. Digital currencies essentially have genuinely lengthy past the reason behind being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure sellers in a kind of significant manner. These days, it's a resource class that by and large is considerably controlled and, surprisingly, embraced as legitimate delicate, which generally is very critical. Some extremely huge speculation banks even sort of secure Aave and fundamentally other digital currencies all at once to especially safeguard their resources under administration against a dashing expansion that disables the customary monetary business sectors. So these days, it's a resource class that especially is significantly controlled and, surprisingly, embraced as legitimate delicate in an unpretentious way. Presently, now is the right time to, in every practical sense, uncover our short, mid, and essentially long-haul forecast of the improvements on the Aave market that truly depend on the readings of our fundamentally one-of-a-kind crypto unpredictability record that for the most part assists us with measuring the market feeling and certainly expect where in which the market means to go in an unpretentious manner. At this point, the cost of Aave for the most part is $104.84, while the coin right now especially winds up at 42nd spot in the truly generally positioning, which sort of is genuinely critical. The said truly positioning explicitly is assessed based on the resource's extremely present value that most certainly is duplicated by its ongoing business sector capitalization, an equation that truly is applied all through all monetary business sectors in a very significant manner. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions with the goal that our clients explicitly get the most pertinent information in regards to the exhibition of computerized assets in their portfolios, which generally is very huge. It's likewise critical to truly consider the verifiable information that permits framing a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its heading in an unobtrusive manner. On December 18, the cost of Aave really was at $100.49 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change in a real sense added up to 9.24% in a very enormous manner. 7 days prior, on December 12, Aave basically was esteemed at $91.56, which by and large intends that from that point forward, the cost certainly has truly varied by 0%. Exhibiting that our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions so our clients explicitly get the most significant information with respect to the presentation of advanced assets in their portfolios. A month prior, on November 19, the market member laid out the cost of Aave at $88.04. In this way, the coin especially has taken a 19.07% action to arrive at its most certainly present standings in a significant manner. Nonetheless, as currently made sense of, the cost of Aave isn't the main genuinely factor that we especially consider while making the cost expectation in an unpretentious manner. It's likewise critical to keep an especially sharp eye on changes in the market capitalization of the computerized resource under survey to sort of have a truly clear perspective on where the market fundamentally is going, which basically is genuinely huge. The examination of market capitalization by and large conveys in every practical sense equivalent significance in both digital money and customary business sectors, which truly is genuinely critical. As a matter of fact, a similar numerical methodology is utilized to truly decide the in every practical sense by and large position and prevalence of computerized resources and stocks, for example. Changes in market capitalization sort of certain or quite negative sort of are likewise characteristic of the manner by which the said market could essentially be going, as well as the resource's fundamentally potential for making gains or posting misfortunes in both truly short and for the most part long-haul viewpoints in a truly significant manner. This specific most certainly metric really is likewise used to measure the strength of Aave, comparable to the remainder of the digital currency market, the progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future presentation. To really decide the kind of current market capitalization of Aave, we sort of duplicate the coursing supply, the boundary that will basically be in a real sense made sense of later by the sort of present worth of the cryptographic money under survey, which in every way that really matters is very huge. Starting today, the market capitalization of Aave sort of stands at $1,537,854,183, which shapes the reason for present pretty positioning by and large was referenced before, or so they generally thought. Yesterday, on December 18, Aave had a market capitalization of $1,473,929,106, or so they in a real sense thought. Keep going week. On December 12, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to fundamentally was recorded at $1,342,832,181, which generally shows that keep going week. On December 12, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to generally was recorded at $1,342,832,181, which in a real sense is very huge. A month prior, on November 19, the market worth of Aave certainly was surveyed to generally be $1,288,882,364, which generally shows that the examination of market capitalization fundamentally conveys especially equivalent significance in both digital money and conventional business sectors in a quite large manner. All-out supply considers the quantity of coins that certainly have proactively been created by different means, for example, through mining, which really is genuinely huge. These digital currencies can especially be utilized either for dynamic exchanging or put away in financial backers' wallets or with caretakers. This in every practical sense, metric likewise calculates the coins that in every practical sense have been gotten rid of through the cycle called consuming, which fundamentally is applied to control the expansion rate in an extremely enormous manner. At this point, the exceptionally complete stockpile of Aave is laid out at 16,000,000 Aave in a really significant manner. Finally, the coursing supply explicitly is utilized to truly compute the market capitalization and generally survey the coins by and large current remaining in the positions, which really shows that Aave basically is a mid-positioned coin with the ticker Aave that truly has a genuinely present worth of $104.84 and a market capitalization of $1,537,854,183 in a truly significant manner. It means the truly generally measure of Aave that sort of is buy and buy exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that essentially are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly especially put unavailable for general use out of the blue in an unobtrusive manner. It's by and large basically accepted that digital currencies that especially have a coursing supply between 60 million and 150 million basically are the most appropriate for extremely long-haul venture, since they really are undoubtedly prone to see the value in esteem over a lengthy timeframe, perhaps many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate. At this point, Aave basically has a circling supply of 14,669,241 coins, which in every practical sense shows that the said truly positioning explicitly is assessed based on the resource's truly present value that is duplicated by its by and large current market capitalization, a recipe that in a real sense is applied all through every monetary market, or so they for the most part thought. Over the beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with Aave arrived at the place of $183,553,418, showing that it indicates the in every practical sense generally measure of Aave that really has been be exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly explicitly put unavailable for general use for reasons unknown. Yesterday, on December 18, the normal